असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा गमय. Hi, this is Vivek. In this session, I would like to tell you about Class 6, Standard 3, Exercise 3.5, question number 4. Find the greatest three-digit number which, when divided by 75, 45, 30, leaves no remainder, and the second one, the remainder 4 in each case. So we have to find the greatest three-digit number. When it is divided by 75, 45, 60, leaves no remainder. That means find the least common multiple of 75, 45 and 60. So solution. So we can find LCM of 75, 45 and 60. So let us find the LCM of the given numbers 75, 45 and 60. You know everyone, the prime factorization method, take 2, 75 is not divisible, promote to next step, and 45 also the same thing, that 60 divides 30 times. You go further, this time you should take 3, this is 25 times, 15 times, 10 times, and go further, this time 5, 5s, 3s, 2s. 3 are 3 different prime numbers. So to find the LCM, therefore the LCM of 75, 45 and 60 is, you just find all the products of these numbers. 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 2, 5 into 3 into 2. You just multiply. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 35s are 150, 153s are 450, 452s are 900. So 900 is the number which, divided by 75, 45 and 60, leaves no remainder. But the second one, the remainder 4 in each case. That means the second one, it leaves 4 remainder. So nothing is there, you just add up to get, in order to get the required number is equals to, you just add 4 to the above LCM to get the required number. That's it. Hi, this is Vivek. So in this session, so we will discuss about chapter 3, grade 6, exercise 3.5, question number 5. So 3 measuring tapes are 64 centimeters, 72 centimeters and 96 centimeters. What is the least length that can be measured by any of tapes exactly? So there are 3 measuring tapes. There are 64 centimeters is one, 72 centimeters is another one, 96 centimeters is another one. So there are 3 measuring tapes. By using all these tapes, so we can measure what is the least length we can measure by using all the 3 tapes. So to find that, we just find the LCM of solution. So we can find the LCM of 64, 72 and 96. Okay, you know the process how to find the LCM of 64, 72 and 96. Just use it. Take last prime number 32 times here, and this is 36 times, and this is 48 times. Again take 2, 16 times, 18 times and 24. Okay, we'll go further. Let's do 8 times, 9 times, 12 times. This time 4 times, 9 not divisible, so that it is promoted to the next level, and 6 again. So 2 times, 9 not divisible, and 3. It is better to take 3 this time. 2, 3, 1. You just multiply to get the LCM. You just multiply all these factors. So LCM of 64, 72 and 96 is, multiply them. 2 into 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 5 times 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to 64, 64 3s, 192, 193 3s, 576. 576, that is our required number. So therefore, you just write now 576 centimeters is the least length that can be measured by any tips exactly.
It's caught in